Hello students, in today's lecture, we will learn program to find the largest number among three numbers using if-else ladder and infinite while loop. In a main function, we have declared four variables of type int a, b, c and choice. Now control comes to infinite while loop. While and in parenthesis 1. 1 means condition is always true. Now control comes inside while loop. Printf statement print enter any three numbers. Using scanf, user enter value of A, B and C. Suppose user enter 1, 2 and 3. Now we have if else ladder. If and in parenthesis condition. A is greater than B and A is greater than C. We have used logical AND operator between two conditions. So both the condition need to be true to execute if block. Condition 1, 1 is greater than 2, which is false. So if first condition is false, then second condition will not be checked and control comes to else if statement. Else if 2 is greater than 1, which is true. So second condition is checked. 2 is greater than 3, false. So if else block will not be executed because one of the condition is false and control comes to else and print 3 is greatest. Now printf statement print, do you want to continue? Press 1 or 0. Using scanf, user enter value of choice. If choice is 1, then continue the process. And if choice is 0, then if condition will become true. And break statement inside if will bring the control out of infinite while loop. And our program ends here. Here is output. Enter any three numbers. User enter 12, 10 and 8. 12 is greatest. Do you want to continue? Press 1 or 0. User press 1. Again, enter any three numbers. User enter 1, 2 and 3. 3 is greatest. Do you want to continue? Press 1 or 0. User press 0 to stop the process. So we end our lecture today. Thank you.